Exploring the word kindly. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the English word kindly. This is a word you might have come across in both spoken and written English. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use it confidently. Kindly is primarily an adverb in the English language. It can describe an action that's done in a kind, gentle, or benevolent manner. For instance, she kindly offered her seat to the elderly man. He kindly asked if I needed any help. However, the word can also be used as a polite form of request or to introduce a statement, similar to please. Kindly ensure your phones are switched off. Kindly refer to the manual for more details. Understanding synonyms can often provide context for a word. Some common synonyms for kindly, when referring to an action done in a kind manner, include gently, benevolently, with good intentions. When used as a form of request, synonyms might be please, could you. 1. Difference between kind and kindly. Kind is an adjective, while kindly is mainly an adverb. For example, 2. She is a kind woman. Here, kind describes the woman. 3. She spoke kindly to the child. Here, kindly describes how she spoke. 4. Avoid redundancy. Because kindly can mean please, it's redundant to use both in a sentence. 5. Correct. Kindly pass the salt. 6. Incorrect. Kindly please pass the salt. So, the next time you come across the word kindly, or want to use it in your conversations, remember it can be used to describe an action done in a gentle manner or as a polite way to make a request. We hope this video has been helpful and has made your understanding of the word kindly clearer. Happy learning!